How to use Waze app on iPhone. Follow my instructions. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Waze. Download and install the app if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. The first time you open Waze, it will ask for location permissions. Make sure to allow it to use your location always or while using the app, so it can provide real-time navigation and traffic updates. Once logged in, you'll see the main map screen showing your current location. To start using Waze, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and enter your destination. Choose the correct result from the suggestions, and Waze will automatically calculate the fastest route based on live traffic. Tap the Go button to start navigation. Waze will give you turn-by-turn directions with voice guidance, real-time traffic alerts, and ETA updates. You can also see icons for hazards, police, or traffic jams on the map, reported by other drivers. To report something yourself, tap the orange speech bubble icon, then choose what you want to report, like traffic, accident, or road closure. For customization, tap on My Waze at the bottom left. Here you can change your navigation voice, check your recent trips, or connect your calendar and plan drives. You can even link Waze with Apple CarPlay, if your car supports it, making navigation seamless while driving. Thanks for watching.